Hello guys, you're welcome back again to this channel. I'm here again to share with you another method, another way to make money online in Nigeria. No matter what you are, no matter where you are, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like it. In this video, I want to show you an application that will enable you to make money. This application is a legit application that I don't know how to explain it. It's very legit and you can make it online in Nigeria if you are doing it the way I'm going to show you right now. In this place application I want to show you now, you can do everything you like. You can even go there for tell them to promote your thing for you. If you don't want to make money, you can tell them to promote your product for you. They can promote it for you. And if you want them to help you make money, they will help you make money on that application. They also have a website, so I'm going to share the link for you in the description below. You check the link, and if you see the link, click on the link and join it. And if you join, you're going to see the way they are doing it. I'm going to show you how they are doing it one by one. And don't forget, everything is very simple and it's very easy. Do it the way I'm doing it and you are ready to make it. Okay, don't waste your money on internet again. Why can't you use your internet connection to make money on your phone? So now, I want you to just subscribe to this channel and like it and also share it. Yeah, I think you see the subscribe button there. You can click on it. You can also comment and like it and share this video for people to benefit from it. If you like it, you can share it and let people see it. And let me tell you something now. I'm going to make another video now about a new affiliate market, a new one. This website is very popular. People are doing using it before, but now this website, they have a new program for us that people can also benefit from them. You can help them to sell something and they will give you money for it. I'm going to make video on that one too. If you subscribe to this channel, you're going to see the new website I'm talking about if I make video about it. So let me go to the website I'm talking about. They also have an application again. So let me go to it. So follow me and see the way I'm doing it here. Now this is the website I'm talking about. The name of the website is called Hawkit.ng. Have you seen now this Hawkit.ng, a website that will enable you to do many things and also enable you to promote your own products online. I joined this website up to a week ago and I've tested it. I've seen that this website, I've collected money from them, I've sent money to them, and I've sold many things from this place. What I'm doing here to make money, you can be doing many things in this place to make money, but what I'm doing that I like and is paying me is selling data. I'm selling data here. Yes, I'm selling data in this place. Well, you can be doing many things again. Perform social tasks and earn daily. So you can perform some tasks every day and they will give you your money every day. Look at it, because I tested this one. I tested it. Look at this. I earned 150. When I did, I earned 150 on this social task. And so I'll stop doing it. I don't like it, Joe. But it's very good. It's very good. If you're doing it, it's very good. So this second one too, they'll give you second one is sell your data. You can start your airtime and data business. Buy airtime or data on Hawkit at up to 10% discount and sell to friend and family at normal price. Now you can also do something else. Okay, you can also come here if you need like social media. If you need followers on your Instagram or your Facebook or even your Twitter or your WhatsApp, if you need people to follow your group, you can also come here and pay for them. If you pay for them, they will promote your social media for you. Or you can also come here, you can buy something and sell something here. If you have a product at home, maybe you have a market, a supermarket, you can also bring your things here. They will help you to promote it and people will be buying it from this place and they will give you your money. So you can bring it here, they will sell it for you and they will give you your money. And also something here, you can also come here and refer people to. You can tell people that people, this are their website here. You can tell people if you refer somebody here, you're going to have 500 naira as your own commission. I've collected it. Okay, I test everything and I've seen that it's tested and trusted. I trust them. So why can't you just do it and also try and make your own? I think you can see what I'm making. You can see it in a week. You can 2005 20 and it still remain like 750 naira. So now let me now show you what I'm doing that is giving me money here. I said I'm selling data here. Look at the you're going to click on this place, get started. This place, get started. So I've clicked on it now, get started. So the internet is very slow. So now look at it. MTN, one MTN 1 gig. 1 gig data 30 days. What are you going to do? Just so if you now sell this one to people like 300 naira, you're going to have 50 naira as your own gain. Now look at this one too. This one too, MTN 2 gig data 30 days, 500 naira. 30 days 2 gig. You can sell this one 700 naira. People will buy it. People see that 30 days 2 gig, they will buy it 700 naira, they will buy it, and you have your 200 naira gain. Look at this one too. MTN 500 naira data 30 days, 1,200 naira from 2,400 naira. Now you can also buy this one too. If you buy it, you can also sell it for people at the age of 1,500 naira, 1,300 naira, 1,400 naira. You can sell it 1,500. People will buy 5 gig for 30 days. People will buy this one. They will buy it from you. So this is what I'm doing, and people are buying it because since they see that this thing is very good, people are buying. People like something that is legit. They don't care about how much it is. When something is legit, people will buy. People will buy it. Look at the review. People will buy it if something is legit. Let me show you the review of people now. What people are saying about this platform. Look at it. Best site ever I've ever seen. So transparent, legit. Look at it. Cool. I love this app. People see the people are talking about this. Fantastic, great. See, people are talking about it. No, now I think you can see now. I'm showing you what is legit. So why can't you just subscribe to this channel and also like it and also share it? So are you waiting for? And something now. So you can do many things. Look at everything here. How are you going to promote your data? How are you going to promote yourself? Just if you have a WhatsApp group, WhatsApp status, you can go to WhatsApp. So you can go to your WhatsApp. Let me show you now how I'm doing my own. I have a WhatsApp. My WhatsApp now. Look at it. I'm going to my WhatsApp right now. So this is my WhatsApp status. So now what I did, see, look at it. MTN data is available at lower price, very fast, no internet failure. That's what I'm doing my own. Okay. So I will not write the price. Sorry, I will write the price. MTN 1 gig, 30 days, 300 naira. Look at it. 700 naira, 2 gig, 30 days. You see, 15 1555 gig 30 days. That's how I'm doing my own. You can also go to Facebook. I also put my own on Facebook. People are telling, if people like it, they will say, wow, I need this, and they will message you. And if they message you, you're going to tell them to send their account number, and they will send their account number for you, and you go to transfer, you collect their number, and you send their money to their data to them. That's it. So what are you now waiting for? So it's very simple. You just stay at home and start doing it. It's not something that you'll be going to somewhere to do. No. You can stay at home and do it maybe like 10 minutes a day. Just post it. If they like, if they need it, they will contact you, and that's it. You are also making your own from it. And the next one, you can also refer people. Don't forget that if you refer somebody to this place, they will give you your own commission. That you refer somebody here, they will give you your own commission for just referring people. Look at these people now. People are promoting their product here. This person say he put his product here. So he put everything here. See, so people are putting their product in this place and say now. So what are you waiting for? People are saying the social media. People are making 20 naira for posting an advert on WhatsApp. See, look at them. 10 naira for sharing a Facebook post on Facebook. Look at it now. So you don't need to wait. Just keep on making your own from this website. So have a nice time and keep on making your own money. So I think you can see this is legit. You can see people review about this website. So keep on making it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like it and also share it. Don't forget, I'm going to make another video on a new website, new affiliate website that is legit. Good day, everybody.